have another package. Let's open it up. This is VitaHustle 1 Superfood Protein. Let's try it. Okay, it says you can blend with milk or water. I decided I'm gonna go with milk, counting since this is dark cocoa flavor. Sorry, I can't talk today. Okay, so it says to do 2 heaping scoops into 8 to 12 ounce. Like I said, you could do milk or water. I'm doing milk. Okay, moment of truth. That's actually really good. Okay, so I highly recommend this. It tastes so good. If you're looking for protein, but also some superfood in there too, so great. Definitely check this brand out.